Alright, so what I started off with right here is taking out these 4 bumper clips. There's one here, one here, one here, one here. Sorry, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one here. And then next, basically, it's just all these clips right here. This all just comes undone right here. So all this comes unclipped. So now, once this is unclipped, this is how it should look like. I'm just using these pliers to snip the rivet ends. Rivets are here, 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 and here. And then you just gotta pop these 2 tabs out from the back that are basically pushed into here through those 2 holes, those 2 large holes. So all you have to do is just take some new bumper clips, clip them back in. You have all of them plugged back in right here. They're all clipped back in now. Push this in, push it up, make sure it's all nice and locked in. There you go.